Hi, this is Erin, and I'm going to do a plant collection or a plant video. I don't know if it's a collection necessarily, but figured I'd do an easier video just because I've been kind of busy with homework, and sometimes these videos take a long time to do. So here is the first plant. This is a spider plant. You can see it has the little pieces. It goes to the side, and here is actually a sage plant, and I moved this from outside in because it's actually pretty cold where I live in Montana. Here's a jade plant, and try to rotate it so that the stem will get stronger as it goes towards the sun. So I kind of just rotate it. Same with this. This plant is actually doing really well, and I rotate it probably about once a month. Here's this plant. Paulette, my mother-in-law, gave it to me. I thought it was going to die, but it actually did pretty well. And then there's the spider plant. I think it's called like a snake plant or something like that. It's a little bit wet outside. Trying to get that. This plant I actually really like. It's kind of, I don't know if you can tell, it's a dark color. And then the boy tree is actually pretty tall. Try to get them all in here. That's the plant I've had the longest. I got it as soon as we moved to Butte. And then here's another pretty plant. It has like pink in it. Don't know if you can tell. Then I also have a cacti. This plant, it's actually two plants. Like the orange part is a different plant, and it was just grafted on there. I didn't realize that when I got it. And then the other place I have plants is in the bathroom. These aren't doing quite as well. Well, this one's doing fine. But this one, I had it at a different part in the house, and I thought it wasn't either. It was too dry there, so that's why I moved it into the bathroom. And I can't tell if it's doing better or not. And then this one also looked like it was having a rough time, so I moved it in here, but I can't tell if it's doing better or if it's doing worse, if I'm doing anything wrong. Alright, now last place I have plants is in the kitchen. These are just flowers. We had a party and I wanted kind of flowers for the house. So I have a couple more jade plants. This is actually really cool. It's a Venus Flytrap. This is like a pea plant that overwatered it. It's easy to overwater succulents, so I'm trying to get it to grow. Same with this. This actually came from my brother-in-law's plant, so maybe it'll grow. I'm trying to get it to propagate. This is, I guess it's kind of like moss, but it's like dry moss. Here's another plant I brought in from outside. It's a mint plant. And here is the very beautiful plant. It has really pretty flowers in the springtime. I also have plants at work, so I might show you those. But here's a little cool thing. It's moss. And I just put it inside of a jar. It's a terrarium. So, okay.